Hi guys, so today I have a super exciting video that I can't even believe is happening. Pierre and I are currently in Grasse, which as you guys know, because you're all perfume lovers like me, it is the mecca of perfume. So right now that's actually what we're doing. This is the field of M.Micallef and her husband, and that's actually who we're with if you want to pan over to this way. You can't see them anymore. But we're here with Martine. We wanted to come and visit her factory, her fields, and just have a nice experience of seeing what they get up to and the process of picking and distilling and the whole entire process before the fragrance actually gets put into the bottle. We wanted to see what goes on, so that's what we're doing today, and I'm really excited for you guys to see this video, especially if you're passionate about fragrance like me. So let's go through all of the beautiful jasmine fields. Flower.
Every morning when I am not traveling, is my pleasure, is like meditation for me to come and pick up some flowers with my Pierre, Charla, my collaborator. Now we are with the tuberose flowers, and we pick the jasmine in the morning and the tuberose on the night. We start around 7 p.m. because they open only on night.
On l'appelle pure jasmine.